Hey guys, this is a new epic match. So I am with Loyeta, and we are fighting in Marcasia against Evil Wolf and Dark Omega. So now, Node 1, the Warmonger, and so we got the Creo. Okay, so the Warmonger. Okay, now I'm going to, well, to get Node 5. And upgrading the Warmonger. Oh no, stalking. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Nope. Oh, hard. Okay, so, we got. Okay. They are owning, but well, okay, so I saw dark there. So we just talk. Oh my god, I heard. Finally. So, that's pretty good. Now, node 1. Okay, now I can get this one. And then there are nodes, node 5. Oh, where's talking? Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Going to stuck. Oh my god. So, later, it's going to get node 4. I got node 1, and now I need to get node 7. Rapidly. Nope. Can't. Maybe this node, maybe. I don't know, maybe, please. Oh my god, no! Should be the difference. He's so lucky because it could be very, faster. Oh my god! Oof. So we are owning. They are. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 nodes. And we have 2 nodes. Okay, so what now? Well, now, I think this. We need to get maybe this and barrier. Okay. Okay, predicting the base. But we have the Ramuja, okay? Okay. So now we need to get node 1. Important node. This is the central node. Okay. Then we need to get these nodes. Oh well, I can stock even evolve there. Oh my god. Ouch. Oh, very hard. But But how? Well, oh, health. Okay. Oh, they are both there. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. But I am making them waste their time because my teammate is getting out. But there aren't. Well, they got those one. Whoa! Oh! Maybe not one, maybe. Oh no. Okay, so now I'm trying to upgrade the warmonger. Okay. What about now? Now maybe. Well, everything is ready. Okay. What about now? Okay, so Scott face. Upgrade this chrome grades. And now. Oh no. This was more important. Well, doesn't matter. So now. Get monsters. Rapidly. Okay. Now. And those. Nice. Okay. No. Oh my god, I upgraded the nice weapon. Okay, a few damages. Okay, but we are 3 nodes. Okay. Two nodes. Oh no! I have to play with him. try it again. Oh my god, this is too hard. Oh my god, no! But he can't get node 1. No, he can't get. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'll finish. Well, they are owning, but well, we still have 3 nodes. Now this boss. Okay. Few balls. Now monsters. Well, we have a few balls. Nice. So now I'm going to attack because I can do it near the base or the other side. Well, this is a very good advantage. So now I can get ammos. Oh my god, no, what, mon dieu. Ouch! My teammate is here. Loyeta. Nice. It's so dark here. Oh my god. So I can have it fastly, okay. And then node 4. 2 nodes. 3 and 4. Nice. Now maybe node 1, maybe node 2, I don't know. But we are owning, so that's okay. And now, oh, node 1. Did you see it? They could get node 1. Ouch. No, get no. But I can get this node. No, yeah, yes. Oh my god. I can get it, I can get it. Okay. I got it, so now there. Okay. Oh, this is good, this is good. Oh, too long. Okay, so I got it. Oh my god. Many notes. What the? Where is dark? Oh, there are no 3, maybe no 4. Well, not 3 and 4, yeah. Too late. Please, please, please. Oh no. He's running away. Now upgrading these weapons. Nice weapons, the Fantas Max and the Sonic Erector, important weapon. Okay. Well, many experience. Now a few turrets. Okay, everything is good, I think. Well, yes, I did. Okay, now turrets. Well, okay. Inside trio, sure. Oh my god, I finally decided. That's a mistake in my opinion. Oh, that's very good. Oh, nice. You can see how this is too easy to beat. That's look at that. This is finished. Please, please, please. Well, so that's all. Okay. It was a mistake because we are 2 players and this is very easy to destroy tanks thanks to the cryo turrets. But well, it doesn't matter. Oh my god. Oh no! Should I spam Sonic Erector? Yeah, I should. I should do it. Well, so now I'm going to fight Even Wolf. Oh. Oh my god. I can get it, I think. Okay. Maybe it's going to get node 1. So now node 1. No. Dark is here. Oh my god, that's so hard. Ouch. Now stuck in Note 7. Oh. But what he don't know, what he doesn't know is that I don't have any ammos. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It can be very, very, very fast. Oh my god. Well, we have 5 nodes and they only have 2 nodes. But we are still defending. This is important. Defend. Okay, so turrets there. Okay. Well, we don't know if they will send tanks, so we have to be preventive. So, well, now the double wonder and the Thunder's Max. Then the other side. Well, this weapon. Oh no, lo ici. Lo ici bien. So, aside. Going to fight. Oh no. Oh my god. Very rapid. Now this node. Fight. Oh, upgrading the Thunder's Max. Oh my god, I have to run away, running away. Oh my god. Very nice, very nice. Oh no. Ouch, but yeah, upgraded. That's why. I haven't seen. I don't know if I could get Note 7. Oh my god! But well, now please. Oh no, we both died. Oh my god. Note 7. Oh no! Oh, that will be very, very, very hard. Not one, it's my... Oh no, that's impossible. So final phase. It will be hard, but now I'm going to be serious. Okay, okay. I'm going to send all turrets, every turrets. Oh my god. He's hiding. They are attacking. Now, fight! Oh no, I forgot something very important. No, oh, fortunately. Okay. So then we can help our tanks. Oh my god. You can see how this is lagging because oh my god, this is lagging. Oh my god, oh my god. This is very such a pain. Also, this is an epic bad match. Well, no sense because, but it doesn't matter. This was very nice. Thank you for watching.